Welcome to this user guide on how to automatically save Facebook stories. Facebook stories have become a popular way to share current moments, memories, and events with friends and followers. However, one frustrating aspect of this engaging form of communication is that stories are only available for a limited time, typically just 24 hours. If you've ever wanted to preserve precious stories from your friends or yourself for the future, or simply wish to archive your memories, this is the right guide for you. We will teach you how to automate the process of saving Facebook stories, ensuring that no special moment goes to waste. Get ready to capture special moments and memories on Facebook that will last forever. Let's get started. Open the Facebook application on your phone. After that, click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Audience in Visibility section, and from there, click on the Stories option, then click on Story Archive. Now, the key here is, if you have this turned off, then as soon as that story expires after 24 hours, it will be permanently deleted from Facebook. All you need to do is turn this on, and it will automatically save or archive the photos and videos after they disappear, and this will be visible only to you. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask them in the comments below.